In CT transportation, the process starts from the sales order. This is when the customer calls you up and tells you that they want their goods to be carried from one point to the next. Therefore, we'll select the customer. Let's put in a delivery date, a consignee, who they're wanting to deliver these products to, where we're loading these goods from, and where we're dropping them. Alright, it's as easy as that. Is there a route code that is preferred? And so let's also select services to charge. We might be charging for the distance traveled. And I'll put it at 1 kwacha each, and I'll select my freight, and I'm carrying maize. I've got no lot numbers specified by the customer, but I know I'm carrying 100 metric tons. And that's how you create an order. Okay, we can preview that order, and it's going to give us all the details such as the distance to carry the freight and the actual freight there at the bottom. Okay, that's done. So we change hands from the sales office into the transportation planning or dispatch office. Transportation planner or dispatcher, I want to open my shipping wizard and plan my dispatch for the day. So this is all my sales orders that are waiting to be dispatched. And the very last order, order 119, is sitting right there, and you can see all of the different information, the route codes, the pickup drop-off addresses, and the open quantity to consign, which allows you to change the quantity to consign based off the order. That means that you can consign as many times as you want to for one order. Alright, in this particular case, I'm taking everything on that order. And I'm going to select a vehicle that's going to carry this order, and that is my vehicle of choice. And the reason is that it's got no maintenance job cards open, it's got no shipping orders and any inspections waiting to be completed, and it's available today as well. Alright, if there was a driver assigned to the truck, he would have appeared in this box at the top. Otherwise, I'm going to select a driver, and I'm going to create my consignment note. Now my consignment note is ready. If I open it, there's quite a bit of information that it shows you, and of interest is this expenses tab that shows you that there's 2 expenses. One is a toll and another one is a trip expense, basically a driver allowance that you're paying, and both of them are in US dollars. It does allow you to change the amounts over here before it reaches the accountants. So the shipping order has everything that you need to do in order to execute this job. It's got the route code, it's got the total distance, which it picked up from the route definition. The project code needs to be selected manually, and so as the tour code. It's got all the dates, the dispatch date and the expected completion date, which is calculated off of the route code as well. And it's got other provisions for adding additional charges. You can see your loads, and you can price your loads as well. It's got your pickup and drop-off locations that you're supposed to specify over here. So if I had a drop date of today, and I might have a 10 a.m. drop, and it is all the 100 tons. I simply update that. See, if I preview this consignment note, it's going to show me all the CMR details: carrier, shipper, consignee, route codes, the vehicles, trailers, all the equipment that's in use, the pickup locations, destination locations, and the freight that we're carrying. In addition, it's going to show us an internal document that can be printed for the driver to approach the accounting office, and it's going to tell him all of his pickups and drop-offs and all of his expected expenses to be paid to him. So we're assuming that the driver returned with proof of delivery documents, and the documents that were signed by the customer told us that the drop quantity was 100. So therefore, we have updated the shipping order with 100 quantity. Beyond this, we can close it. I'll click the delivery button. And there it is. It tells us the delivery number 88 created, and it closes the shipping order. So we cannot do anything else with this shipping order at this stage.